Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix the latch on the center console of a Tacoma. This is a second gen Tacoma, so 05 to 2012 I believe. And what happens is little tabs get broken off somehow, and then it doesn't stop inside these little channels as it's coming out. And so basically what we're going to do is we're going to drill this out, drill these little tabs out, and replace what was a tab with like a coat hanger or some 16-penny finish nails or something like that. So it shouldn't be too hard of a fix, but first step is just get this out, and if you can't figure that out, you probably shouldn't be doing this repair. Not to be rude, but it is what it is. So first thing you want to do is you want to find where these little tabs are, and then you just want to make a little mark so that your drill bit doesn't slip around. So you can either use a little punch, or you can use a little spring-loaded punch like this one here. So that's what we're going to do now. Alright, that should do the trick, or did the other one, just so the drill bit doesn't slip around. Alright, so the next step is to take something like a clothes hanger. I just cut a little piece off of a hook with a grinder, and I'm just going to probably grind down the tip where it's kind of pointy, and then we're going to put it down inside this hole here. So I'm going to take it to the belt sander here, and I'm just going to grind this tip to a point. Actually, we should go grind this on the grinder, belt sander I should say. Alright, so now that we know that it'll work, I'm going to take these back out, put the spring in, and then we'll be good to go. Alright guys, so one of the recommendations is to tighten up the bottom of this spring here. Kind of just wind it a little tighter, that way it'll stick on, it'll stay put, because these things have a tendency to get lost and fly away, and then they start bouncing and it's hard to find a spring. So you really ought to just probably crush it at the end there. Alright, that'll stay a lot more than, yeah. So as you can see, not a huge deal. Not too difficult. Of course, we will find out if it worked once I try to reinstall it. The most important thing is to not lose your spring. This thing has been lost probably 4 times since I've started this project. So there's another really good write-up or review, really, but it's more like much more detailed than this on YouTube. He did a great job of showing all the details of how to do this, but I don't know, I'm not organized and structured enough to follow those details, but it did help me out to kind of figure some things out. But I didn't measure much. I just drilled the holes where the plugs were and kind of eyeballed it. So you just want to make sure and leave them a little proud of the housing here, obviously, so it'll stop it. Alright, that should do it. Let's go test it out. Alright, so it's installed, working great. So basically what you have to do is just put those 2 screws in right here after you've joined the 2 halves together, and then you're going to put this plate back on top and cover it all up, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more videos on my 2010 Tacoma. I've installed an aftermarket stereo with some 2 10-inch subs in the back that I'll be doing a review on later on, and so if you're interested in seeing that, then subscribe and hit the like button if you liked it. Thanks, guys.